Hello guys! Hello everyone! And welcome back to my channel. Yes, into this video, marami tayong gagawin. Magluto tayo ng order na may nag-order sa atin ng manok, adobong manok, and then may nag-order sa atin ng puto, and then gagawa tayo ng cake. Yeah, matitikman nyo na ang cake ni Jen. Yes, nag-offer ako na gagawa ako ng cake sa grupo namin dahil may birthday, syempre, of course. And before anything else, kailangan ko magpaganda ng konti. Syempre, nagbihis naman ako, no? Tapos pupunta tayo ng palengke. Yes. We are going to buy some stuff. I have already some stuff for my cake. So, kailangan ko lang bumili ng manok. At saka yung prutas ko, syempre, kasi naubusan ako ng prutas. Once a week lang ako namamalengkean today. Kailangan natin pumunta ng palengke para sa ating kitchen time. So, tara, let's go! Pasensya na pala guys kung medyo kusot-kusot yung aking damit. Pag iinat naman yun kasi wala nang kusot at diba, iinat-inat lang. O tamad talaga ako mamamalansya. O diba nawala yung kusot niya. Tamad talaga ako mamamalansya. I'm so sorry. I admit it. I am not good in ironing. So I'm fine still. So let's go to the market now. Wala nang paligoy-lugoy pa. Ang dami mo sinasabi dyan. Tara. Found may mga wig dito oh. Pwede ko sila itong gamitin pang vlog. Ayan, maganda. Magaganda na ako dito. Parang nagpariband na ako dito oh. Hanap tayo dito ng tea. Sugar. Skyflix. Thank you.
Sa Pamang. Hi.
No more other? This only this?
Only this na.
No more?
How many pieces ha?
Maybe a worth of 80.
8.
Kahit pamalingki mo rin Christmas tree eh. Christmas tree. And then here. So, dito na. Ayan. Pinamalingki natin. Ayan. So, ito yung pinamalingki natin, guys. Ayan. Bumili ako ng egg. Egg. Okay. Passion. Ang sarap ng passion. Gulay ko. For whole week. Diba? Passion, sayuti, and then upo. That is for my whole week. Whole week ba? Hindi naman sila abot. Mga week lang. Kasi may bagyo dito. Nag-close yung palengke maaga. Ay, meron akong peras. So, bumili ako ng peras. But actually, we don't do that one today. That is for the fridge. And then, let's start for our chicken. Kailangan natin gumawa ng chicken. So, okay guys, this is it. So, yeah, we have to do our work. So this one. So I need to clean up the chicken here. There's some chicken, either chicken for my adobo, and of course I got fish. Yes. I'm gonna wash the fish kasi mag-steam fish ako for my dinner. So, yep. Pero, wow. Alam nyo, $40 ito ba? Oh, pero fresh man to. Malamoy-lamoy pa to kay, ano to siya? Super fresh. Tumatalon-talon. Sarap dito kasi steam ko to. Luya lang kasi wala akong onion. Kalimutan bumili ng onion. Kaya, just ginger, put on it. And then, kapag maglilinis ka ng isda, you have to clean up this one here kasi ito siya, itong blood ba? Blood ng fish is, maano siya, maamoy. Kaya, you have to take care and you have to be very careful how to take care of this. Ako kasi, ko yung kutsilyo eh. Alam mo, masilan yung ano ko, yung nanay ng ano ba, nanay ng amo kong lalaki. Siya yung nagturo sa akin na kailangan malinis daw ito. There's no blood. I don't like to have blood. You know what? I like this kind of fish. It's my favorite fish. Yeah. So sweet. Sometimes I make it soup, but this one because today is I feel like I want to eat like fresh steamed fish, so I'm gonna make it steam. Ba? You're gonna eat whole fish today? Alright. Put that one there, de-drain natin, tapos magpakulo ka tubig maya-maya. Sabi na. That's it. And this is my manok na nabili kanina. This one is order, so kailangan ko tong gagawin, hugasan, and then marinated with, ano na naman siya, marinate na naman natin siya ng suka, guys, for the whole night. And then tomorrow we're gonna make it because it's an order. It's an order. Adobong manok. Famous adobong manok ni Jem. Oh yeah. So grateful for this moment to have adobong manok. Always kumakain ng adobong manok. Siguro mamaster na naman natin itong adobong manok. Namaster natin itong biko eh. Anyway, magluluto din pala ako ng biko for our birthday celebration. Marami makain tayo for snacks. This Sunday is quite busy.
So dito na lang. Thank you for watching everyone.
The Lord. Kaya we have to make something good for everybody. Okay. So, I'm going to make steam the fish. So, mag-steam ko na siya. And then, I don't need to,